Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
In the city. My name is Marta. I was born in Puerto Rico, but now I live in the United States. Li Ming is my best friend. She was born in China, but she moved here when she was a baby. Sometimes on Saturdays, Li Ming and I take the bus into the city with our moms. The city is a very busy place with many things to do. We can visit parks and stores and theaters. We can see dinosaur bones at the museum. And we can eat at restaurants that have food from all over the world. Li Ming and I like all the different shops. Some shops have a sign hanging in front. Each sign is written in a different language. The words may be different, but the signs all say the same thing. Welcome. My mom likes to shop at the Mexican grocery store. I like to buy cookies at the French bakery. Li Ming likes the food at the German restaurant. Li Ming's mom says that the Chinese tea shop reminds her of her home in China. The four of us like to eat lunch in the city. We like to try a new restaurant each time. One week we ate at an Italian restaurant. The waiter showed us how to use a big spoon to twist spaghetti around a fork. Another week, we ate German food. I really liked the bratwurst, but I gave the sauerkraut to my mom. Once we ate Chinese food. Li Ming showed me how to use chopsticks to pick up my chicken. Li Ming and her mom used their chopsticks very well, but my mom and I need to practice. One time, we had Mexican food for lunch. Eating tacos was easy because we could pick them up with our hands. The city is a good place to shop for a birthday present. One Saturday, Li Ming and I bought a birthday present for our friend Madi, who is visiting us from Africa. There were so many things in the store. It was hard to decide what to get. Li Ming liked the bongo drums, and her mom liked the piñata. I liked the kite, and my mom liked the toy lion. When we get tired from all our walking and shopping, we go to the park to listen to music. A different band plays there every Saturday. Lots of people come to the park to listen to the band. Some people like to clap along with the music, while others like to dance. Sometimes Li Ming and I dance too. In the afternoon, we get on a bus. We pay the driver and find our seats. We wave goodbye to the city as the bus takes us home. We think about what we will do on our next visit to the city.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.